Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use the X Factor feature in MakeTimeFlow. So the X Factor needs to be added to your task before you drag it into your calendar. So let's add a sample task in here. And we're going to estimate the time at, say, 30 minutes. And then right in the task description, we're going to add X4 because we think it might take 4 times as long, and hit enter, and there's your sample task. It's got the little squiggle in front to indicate that it's approximately 2 hours. And then when you drag the task into your calendar, it creates the 4 X blocks for you. You'll notice that each of the blocks has its own independent timer so that you can start each of them. And if you end up, say, finishing the task within the first 2 blocks, you can just go ahead and eject the extraneous blocks. And there you go.